This drone is perfect for you till DJI Mini 3 comes out. DJI Mini 3 will be releasing later this year, but we still don't have official specifications and details. That hasn't stopped drone hobbyists from going through dozens of leaks and speculate what we can expect from the DJI Mini 3. There is excitement in the air as people make a wish list of all the features and sensors in the DJI Mini 3. We have also covered some of these leaks and rumors on our channel. But the fact of the matter is that until there is an official reveal of the details, we can't be sure what to expect from the DJI Mini 3. And that could be a month or more away. So, till then, let's talk about the drone that would be perfect for people until the DJI Mini 3 comes out. That drone is DJI Mini 3 older brother, the previous DJI Mini variant, DJI Mini 2. Let us briefly go over the specifications of the DJI Mini 2 and why it would be the best alternative till the DJI Mini 3 comes out. Before we start, please make sure to click the like and subscribe button and press the bell icon for regular updates. Specifications. The DJI Mini 2 was made for the same sub 250 grams target market that DJI Mini 3 will probably hit. But unlike other competitors that make these lighter drones as entry class into the drone world, the DJI Mini 2 was made for beginners and experienced pilots looking to do professional photography and videography. And the best part is that being a sub 250 gram drone doesn't require you to register with the Federal Aviation Administration. DJI Mini 2 was most notably also released with the OcuSync. This was usually reserved for the high-end drones like the Mavic series by DJI. OcuSync delivers more range and a more precise video feed over these longer distances, and is much more reliable than using a Wi-Fi connection, which can become spotty at distances. OcuSync operates on radio frequencies and has already proved its worth in other DJI drones. Its low latency can transmit 1080p or 720p video previews directly to your phone. The battery life on the Mini 2 is also still pretty impressive, with a rating of 31 minutes on a single charge. A 2250 mAh LiPo battery pack powers it. Users reported that real-life flight times are around 27 minutes, which is still impressive for a drone this size. Don't worry, though, the DJI Fly Control app will warn when the battery is on the edge of dying out so you can safely land the drone. The flight controller on the Mini 2 is also excellent as it looks pretty identical to the controller on the Mavic Air 2. You can mount your phone on top of your controller, making it more convenient and comfortable to fly. The Mini 2 has a fantastic camera on it. It comes with a 1x2.3-inch CMOS 12-megapixel sensor like the original DJI Mini. But this one is capable of shooting a 4K video. It also comes with a digital zoom feature that promises to provide lossless recordings at 2.7K or 1080p but will lower video quality if you try it in 4K. The camera itself is mounted to the front on top of a 3-axis gimbal, and it is perfectly stable during routine flights. The images you take will be saved in either JPGs or RAW format. The RAW format images may look more washed out in colors but retain more data and visual fidelity. DJI Mini 2 also comes with a pre-programmed high-speed sports mode and a low-speed cinema option, depending on what you need. The max speed on the sports mode is 16 meters per second with a max ascent speed of 5 meters per second, which is impressive for a small drone like the DJI Mini 2. Faster motors also mean that the Mini 2 can hold out on its own against high wind speeds. It has a max wind speed resistance range of 8.5 to 10.5 meters per second. But it is also essential to keep in mind that it is a tiny and lightweight drone. It is not designed to withstand the wind speeds that larger drones can fly against. So don't be a maverick with the Mini 2. The Mini 2 also comes with both GPS and GLONASS positioning systems. So, you can rest assured that you can track the drone properly during flight. The flight control app shows the location of the aircraft's last known position and will flash lights and make sounds if the Mini 2 is still running. This is just in case you can't find your drone after something goes wrong. When the Mini 2 is folded, it has a minimal form factor and can be tucked away in your pocket. But it's always advisable to put it in a safe pack. The Mini 2 comes with a single battery pack. A spare battery will cost you $45 per pack. The DJI Mini 2 will set you back $449 if you are getting a brand new one. The Fly More bundles will set you back $599, but you will be getting 2 additional batteries, a multi-battery charger, a carrying case, and some other goodies. It is still considerably cheaper than the Mavic Air 2, which is priced at $800. But Mavic Air 2 has a lot of other stuff going for it. But for someone waiting for the Mini 3 to come out, this is the perfect drone you should be using in the meantime. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, you must press the like and subscribe button. And let us know your valuable feedback by commenting below the video.